Hi everybody, this is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, welcoming you to this edition of the Get Moving Minute. A little background noise today because I am in my car driving home from the fast food place by my house, which shall remain nameless, because I just picked up fast food for my 15-year-old who requested it. And he has soccer tonight, and I have been working all day, and it's painful for me as a professional health coach to drive through a fast food drive-through and buy this food for my son. So guilty as charged. Just wanting to share that with all of you. I mean, some of you out there have maybe attended a Lean Start workshop with me. If you're a family with small children, I highly recommend it. This is one of the struggles we hear so much, and why it's so important to get the kids off to the very best start so that they don't grow up, just establishing taste buds to crave nothing but highly refined carbs. So I tell myself it's about progress, not perfection. I tell myself that I've done a good job with my son. I tell myself, hey, you allow him this one meal once a week, maybe 2 times a week at most. The rest of the time, he's eating home-cooked meals, and we occasionally go out to dinner on the weekend. I feel good about that. I don't feel like he eats as many vegetables as he should. I feel like I'm setting a good example in the home. I just want to share with everybody that, even under the best of intentions, life happens, and it's nearly impossible to be 100% perfect 100% of the time. And, I have a teenager, and he's allowed to make his own choices, and I choose what I can and won't bring into the house. And I obviously went and got the fast food today, and I'm allowing him this treat. But I'm just going to be honest. I'm not happy about it. It doesn't feel good to me. It's so painful. So very painful. But again, I don't want to demonize any food, right? It's a red light food. It's not an everyday food. It's a special occasion food. I choose not to put it in my body ever, because that's just not part of my own personal healthy eating plan. I suffer from an autoimmune condition, and these inflammatory foods are not good for me. So that's it. That's my post today. I just always want to make sure that if you listen to the podcast from time to time, that you understand I'm not a preacher. I'm not a teacher. I'm not necessarily an expert that's here to put on a hat and tell you what to do. It's just about sharing a wealth of information with you guys out there so that you can make the very best informed decisions about health and nutrition and what you choose to bring into your home and how you choose to feed your families so that they can continue to live their very best lives in health and wellness. This is Gerryl Krilic, Frisco Fit City Ambassador, reminding you guys to get up, get out, get moving, make it a great day. It's about progress, not perfection. Nobody is perfect 100% of the time.